In this video, we are going to talk about how to use bored and boring. So bored and boring are both adjectives, but many people have problems using them. And part of the reason for this is that some teachers tell their students that bored is for people and boring is for a thing or an activity. And this is not true. We can use bored for people and we can use boring for people. So in this video, we're going to look at what do these words mean and how do we use them. So when we have adjectives, many adjectives have an ed form, bored, scared, tired, and an ing or y form. For example, boring, tiring, scary. The ed form is a state or a feeling inside you. And the ing or the y form is about your opinion about another thing. It's what you think about something or someone. But first, let's just look at bored. So bored is a feeling. If I say, I am bored means I am not interested. Right now, I am not enjoying this. Right now, I am not excited. I am not having fun. I am bored. Or if we say, he is bored, that means right now, he is not excited. He is not having fun. He is not interested in what he is doing. So bored is a feeling. Then boring. If something is boring, it means that it makes you feel bored. It's what you think about this activity. It's what you think about this person. So if I say, football is boring, that means I don't enjoy football. Football is not fun for me. Football does not make me happy. Football is not interesting. So I'm not talking about me, I'm talking about the activity. Football is boring. But we can also use it to talk about a person. If I say, you are boring. You are boring means you are not an interesting person. When people talk to you, they feel bored because you do not have interesting things to say. You are boring means I don't want to talk to you. I don't enjoy talking to you. You always say the same thing. So this is why we don't usually hear people say, I am boring. We usually hear people say, I am bored, because we talk about our feelings. I am so bored today. I don't have anything to do. I might just watch some TV because I am bored. But I turn on the TV and every show that I watch is boring because to me, TV is boring. So boring is your opinion about something or someone. Bored is how you or another person feels.